You can use your Henkelman vacuum sealer to marinate anything. I made a bulgogi sauce to marinate short ribs. The process is paused several times before the vacuum is reached. This opens the cell structure, which enables the product to fully absorb and marinate super fast. I also used the tenderize function, then sous vide for 24 hours. I cooked carrots and quick pickled cucumbers. I then dehydrated and fried sunchokes for texture. This dish is bulgogi short ribs, carrots, pickled cucumber, bulgogi mushrooms, radish kimchi, sunchoke chips, and puree. This is honeydew 5 ways. I compressed the honeydew in the Henkelman Boxer 35 with fast infusion of Midori liqueur thanks to Henkelman's marinating function. One of the standard programs of advanced control makes it easy. Just put the product in the chamber and start the vacuum cycle. I made fresh honeydew melon balls. Dehydrated honeydew as a chip and placed some in a mortar and pestle with salt to help bring out that sweetness. I also made a beautiful sorbet with simple syrup, honeydew, and lime. This dish is simple, elegant, and refined.